Tai aš žinau, kokią nupirkau, tai žinai. Duris tai čia tas pačias tvarkys tikrai. Svarnas, pamatai, nupirktas tavas matymas, tas pats matymas. Ratai neišsikraipė. Okay guys, so my car is here in the place and I'm gonna show you this car review now, how it looks and how much damage does it have. So it doesn't have a front bumper, but everything else in the front is okay, as you see, almost everything. So the hood is damaged, but we're gonna fix the same one. The flares are, this one is damaged, as you see. The rims looks okay. This door is damaged too, so we have to change it to another one. So we're gonna have to replace this place here, as you see. So the insurance after the, I think that insurance after an accident in the United States, they just form the inspection to see what's inside. Does it have damage here? But there's no damage here, so they just cut out the flare out and look. So as you see, what do we have in the back? In the back we have not much. You see, almost everything's okay here in this place. So let's look at the back, and as you see, we have some damage here too. Okay, we're gonna have to change this thing here. Taillights, and here, as you see, we have damage too, so we're gonna have to fix this too. Rims are almost okay. We're gonna have to repaint it and fix this place. As you see, we have it broken a little bit, but here we have specialists that can fix this stuff, okay? So what else? And this side is okay, as you see. The door is okay too. And what about the roof? The roof is okay too. And the trunk too. So let's go inside and see how is it there. Is it okay, or we have some damage? Okay, we have a red letter interior, very beautiful one. As you see, it's okay here. And everything else looks good too. The steering wheel is okay too. But we have some damage here, as you see. Yeah, we have some damage here. I don't know how it's done here, what happened, but as you see, we have damage here, so we have to fix it. We'll fix the same seat. Okay, let's try sit inside. Okay, the first time that I sit here in this Challenger. Okay, okay. So we have lots of dust, as you see, and it's okay here. We have no damage. It looks okay, beautiful. Just lots of. We have the both keys, the red one and the black one. So that's beautiful. Okay, let's put it here. Okay, no damage. What about this seat? This seat, it looks okay too. It looks beautiful, no damage. What else? Well, let's go to the back. Okay, let's see the back. The back looks okay too. Okay, so no damage, no damage. As you see, everything looks beautiful. No damage. Okay, the roof looks okay too, with no damage. All the airbags are in place. Wonderful. And we have some muscle cars more here. As you see, we have a Mustang 50 GT, a newer one. There's another one. We have some exotics, a Jaguar, a Dodge Durango. We have a few more Dodges there. A Mustang again. An Audi. There we have a Dodge Ram. So we have lots of Mopar cars. Okay, and let's see the engine. Okay, the engine here is right in place. The supercharger is on, but we don't have an air filter. The air filter was stolen. Shit. What else? What else? What else? The belt is off. Okay, so we're gonna have a fucking surprise, I think so. So, if you're interested in my Hellcat rebuild journey, just subscribe this channel, press the notification bell, and see you in another video. Bye!